Nice to see you again at the step-by-step fingerpicking song tutorial. I'm going to learn you how to play the intro riff of Let Her Go by Passenger. In my other video you can learn how to play the rest of the song with the chords. So check it out. This video is divided into 4 steps. Step 1, the melody. Step 2, the main bass notes added to the melody. Step 3, the complete bass line added to the melody. Step 4, the original fingerpicking pattern of Let Her Go, which is step 3 with some additions. For this song you need to put your capo on the 7th fret. Okay, a quick tip. Tune your guitar after placing the capo. The notes of the string now appear. Where you don't understand this, check out my other video about tuners from chromatic setting. Step 1, the main melody of the song. This video contains only step 1. The other 3 steps will be in other videos on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. During the whole riff, I have my first finger on the 1st fret of the B string and my second finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. This position is the starting point of the riff. We'll start with the 3rd fret on the B string. And after that the open thin E string. Then the 3rd fret on the B string again. And last the 1st fret of the B string. The first bar sounds like this. Then we play a hammer-on from the open G string to the 2nd fret of the G string. You only have to pick the G string once and then press your 2nd fret. Then we play the 1st fret of the B string. Up to this point, from the beginning to the last note we've played, this part is often used. Then we play the 2nd fret of the G string and after an open E string. And then the 2nd fret of the G string again. Keep the 2nd fret pressed. And let the strings ring. From the beginning up to this point. One more time. Then we'll play the often used part again. And after we play the 2nd fret on the G string, the open E string and the 3rd fret on the B string. Part that's different sounds like this. One more time. We'll start on the 1st note of the display tab. 1, 2. Then we'll play the often used part again. And then we'll start practicing from the pull-off and the hammer-on. With the pull-off you pull your finger off the string after picking it. So place your finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, then pick the E string and pull your finger off. Then we go to the hammer-on. You have to hammer the finger to the fret of the new note. Place your 1st finger on the 1st fret of the B string and then hammer the 3rd fret. We'll start at the pull-off. And after the hammer-on, the open E string. Now in time. Now we're going to practice the 2 notes before the pull-off. So we start at the 2nd fret of the G string and then the 1st fret on the B string. Only the 2 new notes. And again. The new notes with the bar afterwards sound like this. I play it again. And then the riff starts again. Step 1 of 50% of the tempo. In the description you can download the tab so it's easier to play along. In preparation for the finger picking, I make a pull off in the pickup bar from the 3rd fret on the B string to the 1st fret on the B string. Step 1 on full tempo. Don't forget to check out the other steps after this video. Stay tuned by subscribing on my channel.